Welcome to Famety.com. Today we would like to introduce you to our tool, LinkedIn Summary Generator. LinkedIn is a professional platform where people in the business world communicate and exchange information about their careers or the companies they work for. Many people use LinkedIn to find resources for their jobs or business. To achieve your goals on the platform, you must create a compelling summary of your work or career that will leave a positive impact when read by relevant people. In that case, we have a tool that will be extremely useful and effective for you. With the LinkedIn Summary Generator, you can create summaries with the features you want and attract your target audience. Let's follow the steps to use the generator. Select the style for your profile summary. Click on the small arrow on the left of Tone Style. There are many options such as casual, professional, inspirational, etc. Select your account type by clicking the small arrow on the left of Account Type. You can choose personal or company. Describe your profession, career, education, location, and yourself with a few words. Click on Generate. Your LinkedIn summary suggestions will be generated in a few seconds. Select the one that fits your profile perfectly. And that's it. Grab the attention of users and reach users quickly by creating a more optimized profile with our LinkedIn Summary Generator. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.